I hope we will win today's final match. Yes, I do not want to be a runner-up like last year. Let us take a gold medal home. I am ready. Let's go!
Hello, everyone. How are you today? This is your new teacher, Zara, from Listen, Speak Academy. Welcome to the new Bobblehead series. Here, we aim for you to learn a new phrase or new word in 2 minutes, including speaking practice. Have you watched any of the World Cup football games by any chance? Have you heard of the term runner-up? Let us look at the meaning of this today. This term is commonly used to describe someone who has achieved second place. He or she or they are not the ultimate winner, but rank second after that. It is commonly used to describe a result. It could be sports-related, such as the World Cup football. It could also be an art competition in your school. For example, you might say, in the competition, the team was the runner-up, or in the competition, the team was second place, or in the competition, the team got a silver medal. Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
I hope we will win today's final match. I hope we will win today's final match. Yes, I do not want to be a runner-up like last year. Yes, I do not want to be a runner-up like last year. Let us take a gold medal home. Let us take a gold medal home. I am ready. Let's go! I am ready. Let's go!
Thank you for liking Listen Speak Academy. We will continue to have our weekly 30-minute lessons very soon. For now, we will concentrate on introducing several more daily Bobblehead English short videos to you. Our mission is not to just make some cartoon videos for you to watch as entertainment TV. We concentrate on the shadowing and repeating exercises. Thank you for your support. Take care and see you soon!